Hello fellow creatives, let me hope we are all well and doing great. In this video we are going to be looking at how to change our password on Distrokid and how to sign into Distrokid. So when you go to Distrokid's website, what you have to do is to come here and you click on sign in, then you put in your email. So this, let me first copy this. Okay, remove it. So this is how it looks like. So the moment I come to the website, it looks like this. Let me even close this. So if I come to the Google, I type in Distrokid. So like that, it like at times shows that. So you can add on sign in. Okay, sign in or sign up. So the moment you click that, the browser shows something. This, or you can even visit the link below this video. Okay, so you'll happen to see how to sign up and you get to know how to do it. After you come here and click on sign in, so you put in your email. Okay, so you put in your email. Because I'm working on someone's whatever, Eric6, so Eric6. Okay, so after putting in your email, you put in your what? Your password. Now, for this one, let me say you forgot the password. Okay, so you just click that. Okay, on forgot and Control Z. On forgot and you put in your what? Your email. Okay, Eric6. So at gmail.com. So you say reset. So the moment you click reset password, done. We just emailed instructions to. So the moment you do that, you come to your what? To your website and you come to your email. They will have sent you a password that you can play around with. That they would have sent you a link that you can use to change your password. Okay, so what you do, you click on that link. Okay, so you have to check your internet connection. Okay, so then you change your password. Okay, so you change, you look at a way of changing your password. Let me say so you look for a way of changing your password. We'll close this. So we clicked on this link. So the moment you click on it, it opens up and gives you that option of you changing your password. So it already gave us that option, which is this one. So we use this one to change our password, where we would say maybe okay. So then save new. Okay, so after putting in your new password, then you can click on save the new password. So with that password, we will have changed the password, and now we are able to log into our account. Okay, so as you see, we have now logged into our account, and First of all, they have this method of sending you a code if at all you are logging in for the first time to verify that it is basically your account. So we'll go back to our email and get that code. Okay, then we get this code and copy it, then we come and paste it with a Ctrl V. Okay, and automatically it will continue. We have to just wait. Automatically it continues, and so now it is what? It is uploaded. Okay, so it is uploaded now. So if at all we want to upload a video, so we click here to upload a video, but you only can upload a video if you already subscribed to that package of uploading what? Videos, being able to upload a video. So if you haven't done that, then it is not possible for you, which is unlimited, upload unlimited music videos for only 8.25. okay, that now for now, since we have no any videos so far, we haven't paid for that package, so we have to go back, okay, and go to where we have music, and now to upload music we click this, okay, to check our music, okay, this, because automatically we are already in music, so that is where we are. Now to upload, we are uploading music, we click that, okay, then where we have to upload our music from shows up. Okay, are you seeing this? So Spotify distributes to Spotify, Distrokid distributes to Spotify, TikTok Music, Reso, and Luna. These are all of these platforms, so you can pause this video and happen to go through them. Okay, so as you see this, okay, so now if we go back this side, and if we go back here on the stats, we can happen to see how our music is basically doing, what is basically performing. So you do not have access to this upgrade to music plan because this person is on an artist plan. Okay, you will get prorated refund on your current plan. This, because if we try to upgrade, let us open this, we open this, and we happen to see where this artist is. So people, if you're out there and you're a musician, you are someone in the music creation business, maybe movie creation and any stuff, endeavor to see that you join, okay, or you contact me and I help you join different platforms like a Tidal, like any, to see that they stream your music or you get distributed to different streaming platforms. So this person is on a musician plan, okay, so he cannot have access to current on a musician plan, so he has no access to some offers that are basically given to the musician plus plan. Okay, so if we go back this side and get this, so we are not going to upgrade because it isn't our account, it is a client's account that we are setting up for some stuff. So are you seeing this? So for at least for the months that he has been on the plan, he has a $0.25 out of the streams he has got, okay, and I won't go into details of the song and the artist. Let me just go here to show you the breakdown of the different platforms and see what was the first YouTube ads. Then besides YouTube, where else has he got some money? Was it only YouTube ads? So if we go back and just scroll, yes, he has on YouTube ads, YouTube Red, and TikTok. So what you have to make sure to do as creative people, what you should keep in mind is you should endeavor to see that you share your work, you run ads and get your work in the front of people, because if you don't do that, you won't make money. You will make sense, okay? And the other thing, it takes time for your account to grow and get a little bit more better. So endeavor to see that you subscribe to this channel so that we keep on sharing knowledge in the creative world and see how we can earn as creative people. So endeavor to see that you subscribe, and that is all. So let us meet in the next video.